crash course on everything you need to know about government pensions, CPP, OAS, GIS and retirement in Canada. If you're planning for your retirement in Canada, it's important to understand the government pensions available to you. The Canadian Pension Plan, CPP, Old Age Security, OAS, and Guaranteed Income Supplement, GIS, are all programs designed to support retirees financially. Here's everything you need to know about these government pensions. Canadian Pension Plan, CPP. The CPP is a mandatory program that requires all working Canadians over the age of 18 to contribute a portion of their income to the plan. The amount you contribute is based on your income, and the maximum contribution for 2021 is $3,166.45. The CPP is designed to provide a basic level of retirement income, as well as disability and survivor benefits. When you retire, you can begin receiving CPP benefits as early as age 60 or as late as age 70. The amount you receive depends on your contributions and the age at which you begin receiving benefits. The average monthly CPP payment in 2021 is $689.17, while the maximum monthly payment is $1,203.75. Old Age Security, OAS. The OAS is a government pension that provides a basic level of income to seniors who are 65 or older and have lived in Canada for at least 10 years. The amount of the OAS pension is based on the number of years you have lived in Canada after the age of 18. In 2021, the maximum monthly OAS payment is $615.37. If your income is above a certain threshold, you may have to repay some or all of your OAS pension through the OAS clawback. The OAS clawback threshold for 2021 is $79,845, and for every dollar of income above this threshold, you will be required to repay 15% of your OAS pension. Guaranteed Income Supplement, GIS. The GIS is a government pension that provides additional income to low-income seniors who receive the OAS pension. The amount of the GIS payment depends on your income and marital status. In 2021, the maximum monthly GIS payment is $919.12 for a single person and $1,395.89 for a couple. To qualify for the GIS, you must be receiving the OAS pension and have an income below a certain threshold. The GIS income threshold for a single person in 2021 is $18,744, while for a couple it is $24,576. Retirement in Canada. When planning for retirement in Canada, it's important to consider all of your sources of income, including government pensions, workplace pensions, and personal savings. You can estimate your CPP and OAS benefits using the Service Canada website, and you can also consult with a financial advisor to help you create a retirement plan. It's also worth noting that many Canadians choose to continue working in some capacity during their retirement years. This can be a great way to supplement your retirement income and stay engaged in your community. Interesting stories, examples. In 2016, the federal government announced changes to the CPP that will gradually increase the retirement benefit by 50% over the next 40 years. This means that future generations of retirees will receive more generous CPP benefits than current retirees. In recent years, there has been a growing debate about whether the retirement age for government pensions should be increased. Some argue that this is necessary to ensure the sustainability of the pension programs, while others argue that it would disproportionately affect low-income workers who may not be able to work until a later age. The GIS program has been criticized for its complex eligibility requirements, which some argue make it difficult for low-income seniors to access the benefits they need. Some advocates have called for simplifying the GIS application process to ensure that all eligible seniors receive the benefits they are entitled to. In 2020, the federal government introduced a one-time payment of $300 for seniors receiving OAS and an additional $200 for seniors receiving the GIS. This was part of the government's COVID-19 economic response plan to provide financial support to vulnerable populations. Some provinces also offer their own pension programs, such as the Quebec Pension Plan, QPP, and the Ontario Teachers Pension Plan, OTPP, which can provide additional retirement income for residents of those provinces. The CPP also offers disability and survivor benefits, which can provide financial support to workers who become disabled or to the families of workers who pass away. The OAS pension is not subject to income tax, but CPP and GIS payments are taxable. It's important to factor in the tax implications of government pensions when creating a retirement plan. The GIS program is means tested, which means that the amount of the benefit is reduced as your income increases. This can create a disincentive for low-income seniors to work or save, as they may fear losing their GIS benefits if their income increases. In recent years, there has been a push to expand the CPP to provide more generous retirement benefits. Some argue that this is necessary to address the retirement income gap, particularly for low-income workers who may not have access to workplace pensions. The OAS clawback has also been a source of controversy, as some argue that it unfairly targets middle-income seniors who have saved for their retirement. There have been calls to reform the OAS clawback to make it more progressive and to ensure that it does not discourage seniors from saving for their retirement. In conclusion, understanding the government pensions available to you is an important part of planning for retirement in Canada. The CPP, OAS, and GIS programs can provide a basic level of retirement income, but it's important to consider all of your sources of income and to create a retirement plan that meets your individual needs. As the retirement landscape in Canada continues to evolve, it's likely that we will see ongoing debates and discussions about the role of government pensions in supporting retirees. Here is a poem on government pensions, CPP, OAS, GIS, and retirement in Canada. Pensions, what do they mean? A safety net for when we're old and lean. The CPP, OAS, GIS are all part of our retirement bliss. The Canada Pension Plan, we pay in for years, so we can retire without any fears. Contributions based on what we earn. We'll get it back, and then we'll learn. The old age security, a gift from the state. For seniors who need it, it's never too late. Non-taxable income, a benefit grant, helping us age in this beautiful land. The guaranteed income supplement, to help make ends meet. For those who need more, it's a helpful treat. Means tested, it can change as we go. A safety net for those who are slow. Planning for retirement, a critical task. Ensuring our future is a question we must ask. Government pensions are just part of the plan. Saving, investing, all in our hands. Retirement in Canada, it's a beautiful thing. Full of adventure and joy that can ring. With government pensions to help us along, we can rest easy and sing our retirement song. Asterisk, asterisk, asterisk. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences America has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to North America, please ensure to use our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8=7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. AnHub Metaverse Team.